trying to do, little Timothy? Hello, hello. Hello, hello. It's super early. It's like 6 o'clock. We're working already. That's how we do it out here. Try to beat the heat. We're in Oakland, California. We're doing these 12 by 12 Saltillos. You can see they're set on an irregular pattern. Anyway, the whole purpose of the video is these damn waffle patterns, people. You're not listening to me. I'm trying to warn you guys. Stop doing this to yourself. Stop falling victim to the slip-resistant pads. Anyway, though, slip-resistant pads, I'm assuming you found me now because you have a problem with these. There's only one way to fix it, and I'm going to show you. And that way is to basically chemically melt off the sealer. Because what happens is there's acid in the foam pad, like whatever they make it with, and it kind of becomes one with the sealer. So I'm not gonna sit here and act like I'm a freaking chemist or anything. I don't know the exact components and the chemical makeup and the breakdown. I don't, who gives a shit, right? But the purpose, what happens though, is you can see it just becomes one. So anyway, here's how you fix it, people. This is called secret sauce right here. Family recipe, been handed down since generations. That's my family first migrated here. So you see that right there? See that? How it immediately starts to get it off there? And then we push it to the side. You see that? That's the first couple layers of sealer. And now what we're doing is we're going to draw it out of the inside of the pores. You can see what happens is my product here, the secret sauce, melts it like in layers. See that? How goopy all that is there? So what this does is, and this is a true liquid stripper, where a lot of the garbage out here on the market is like jellies and semi-pastes. And they don't work. So what this does is, you can see how dark the tile got. It goes inside. I'm melting all this stuff from the inside out. All right. So you push the excess to the side. Grab your old trusty rag here. And we wipe up the excess, people. So the purpose of the video, these stupid slip-resistant freaking waffle patterns. I swear, we do 30, 40, 50 jobs like this a year. I don't know. It seems like every job we do has these. So stay informed, people. I believe they have felt pads. They have multiple different types of pads that you could use that'll be skid-resistant, slip-resistant, whatever. You might want to look at your just shop around. Don't just settle for these, the rubber ones. I'm trying, the rubber. I'm not sure what they're even called, like the name of the company or the brand. But like I said, they're more of that rubber waffle pattern. It sticks to the sealer. Don't be a freaking clone. Stop buying those things. Because Andy, you paid money to ruin your own floor, and now you're paying money again to fix it. So just stop doing it to yourself. Purpose of the video, felt pads, get them. Stop putting these plasticky ones down, because in the long run it'll be expensive to fix it. You should like us, subscribe, share. Most important of all, people, is to stay informed. Clone Nation, you're going to want to stop it. So anyway, though, I'm going to get this done. It's a smaller project for us. We're trying to get out of here and start our weekend, so that's why we're here early. So you can see the waffle patterns. Don't fall for it. And you can see how nice the tile cleans up, though, once we get it off and get it out of there. And then we're going to reseal it and shine it, and I'll show you a little bit more of that towards the end so you can actually see the overall product. You can also see, the tile's also gotten really dirty on its own anyway. Look at the color difference between that and that. You know what I mean? It's really gotten gray and dirty over the years. So a combination of the waffle pattern and just being pretty dirty, you can see the beautiful colors come right back out. And like I said, I'll show you the end product when we put the sealer and stuff on it. Stay informed, people. I'm trying to, you guys are driving me crazy. Job after job, you're calling me not knowing. Do your homework. Don't just settle.